If you also want to transform your desktop from normal to something like this, congratulations! You've made the right decision by clicking on this video. In this video, I am going to give you a step-by-step guide, so stay with me until the end. The first step is to download the setup from the link I've provided in the video description. Then, double-click on the file and follow the steps. After installation, open the app. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Import Videos. By clicking on it, you can play any video of your choice. On the right side, you'll notice an option called Fast Side. Click on it, and then check the option labeled Transparent Taskbar. Then, on the right side, you'll see an option called Switch. Click on it. I suggest you follow the same settings I use, but if you prefer, you can choose your own settings as well. Now, look at the top right corner, where you'll find the Settings option. By clicking on it, you can make further changes, though this is optional. For the best live wallpapers, you can also visit a website called Pinterest. I recommend removing all the icons from your desktop, as I did. It makes your desktop look cleaner. Congratulations, you've successfully made your desktop look better. If you liked this video and are interested in similar content, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it motivates me to create more videos like this. Thanks for watching until the end.